What's up everybody, my name is Kapish and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making the Indian street food favorite, Paav Bhaji. My aunt made this on her trip to India and it has been my favorite recipe ever since. This is like a vegetarian sloppy joe and gets its dark red color from the use of beetroot. We will also make two styles of the paav, plain and masala, to give a nice rustic street food finish. I can't wait to start. So let's begin! So to make our Paav Bhaji, we will need 2 cups of chopped beetroot, 2 cups of chopped potatoes, 1 cup of green peas, and 1 cup of beans. And also we will need 3 cups of cauliflower. Now I'm going to pressure cook my vegetables. Pressure cook them until they are very soft. These are my cooked vegetables, and now I'm just going to show you guys how much they're cooked. So you could either use a big spoon, as I have right here, or a potato masher to mash up these vegetables. My vegetables have been mashed coarsely, and it is very vibrant and red because of the beetroot. So take a large saucepan and heat it up on medium flame. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to let this melt. Just to make the butter not burn, we are going to add like a few drops of oil. My butter is melting, so now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And these are going to splatter, so be careful. 1 to 2 bay leaves. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped chili, green chili. And first we're going to let this cook a little bit. So now that it's a little bit cooked, we have 2 tablespoons of garlic. Mix this up. The garlic smells wonderful when it's roasted in butter. In this, we're going to add 1 cup of finely chopped red onions. Let the onions turn translucent. My onions are now sweating away, so it's time to add 1 cup of cubed tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes until all the liquid from them are dried up. Now that my tomatoes have cooked, we're going to add 2 finely chopped bell peppers. And we're going to let these sweat. The spices we're going to add are 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red mirch or red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of cumin powder, and 4 tablespoons of Paav Bhaji masala. So now I'm just going to mix this up. And the coriander powder and the Paav Bhaji masala make it smell delicious. To this, I'm going to add a half tablespoon of dried mango powder. And I have kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves. And the way we're going to add this in, we're going to take a little bit of it add it into our palms and kind of grind it into our own hands. And add it in. And now I'm gonna mix it up. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add my boiled vegetables. And I am going to mix it up. Let it simmer. Now that my bhaji has been simmering for the last 15 minutes, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon more of butter and also 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Now I'm going to mix this up. This is very vibrant and the bhaji also smells very nice. My bhaji is ready and now I'm going to get on to making my masala paav. Here I have store-bought paav, and if you don't have this at your house, you can always use burger buns. Before we make the masala paav, we're going to make normal paav, and to do that I have heated up a skillet and I have a block of butter which I'm going to spread around a little bit. Not much. Now I have a pre-cut paav, only very little cut, very little left. So now I'm going to add it in, and just like that. Now we're gonna let both sides cook. My butter paav is ready, and let's move on to making the masala paav. To make our masala paav, we are going to spread the butter just like how we did on the butter paav. That much. I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped cilantro, a little bit of our bhaji, and our Paav Bhaji, half a teaspoon of Paav Bhaji masala. And I'm just gonna mix this up with my spatula real quick. I'm gonna turn it to medium flame. And now I'm going to add my paav. Just like that. Twist this up. Just like that. And then once that other side browns up a little bit, we're going to flip it. Wow, that is vibrant. It looks very delicious too. So I'm gonna let the other side brown up a little bit. And now your paav is done. This is my plate of Paav Bhaji, and on the side here I have some onions, I have carrots, and I have a lemon. And I have my 2 paavs right here, and I have my bhaji right here with a little bit of butter on the top. So now I'm going to try my plain Paav Bhaji first, and I've dipped it in a little bit of the bhaji. So now I'm going to try it. It's a little bit crunchy and a little bit soft at the same time, and it gives a sort of buttery taste, and the bhaji in it tastes very nice. I'm going to now try my masala pav. So you can also eat this plain because it has the Paav Bhaji inside it already. I'm gonna try this. This actually has better roasted spices because we roasted on butter for a little more time. It also tastes very nice because we added a little bit extra of the Paav Bhaji masala, and the butter also gives it a nice taste. So there you have it, a yummy, mouth-watering Paav Bhaji. I can eat this any time of the day. The spices make the mashed vegetables taste amazing. The buttered pav is very flavorful and crispy and complements the bhaji very well. For spice lovers, the masala pav takes it to the next level. You should definitely try it. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell notification so you know when I post another video. Also comment any dishes you guys want me to make. See you next time.